Welcome, yogi, to 5-minute movements sunrise. This is a practice designed to be done without even a mat or any props, though if you're tighter in your hamstrings, having some blocks or a chair close by may help you when we fold. So please begin standing if you aren't already. Feet underneath your hips, about your hips distance apart. Roll your shoulders a couple of times and start to deepen your breath. So relax your shoulders, take a deep belly breath in. And exhale through your mouth. Start moving some breath in and out, almost vigorously. Inhale. Out through your mouth, exhale. One more, just like that. Inhale deeply. Exhale through your mouth. Now we'll breathe in and out through the nose. Bring our hands to prayer and make a Kali Mudra so the first finger extends but the rest interlace. Bend your knees as you inhale and sit down a little deeper as you exhale. Inhale, straighten out and stretch your hands up high and reach over to the right as you exhale. Inhale back up to straight. Exhale back into that chair pose, hands come down to heart. Inhale, stretch back up and reach to the left. Inhale back up into your chair again, bending the knees as much as you like, or as little as you like, and inhale, stand up. Open out to a Y shape in your arms so you get a hint of back bend, opening into the heart, the chest. Bring your hands into prayer and down to forward fold. So if you do have some support for your hands, your chair or blocks, you can place your hands on those. If you do not have any support, you could always bend your knees. Make sure to not strain and over round the back as you fold. Bend your left knee, please, and extend your right arm out and up into a twist. And release your right hand down. And bend your right knee, left leg straight, left arm spins up to your twist. And release that down. Put all of the weight in your feet, circle out wide, big breath in. Hands interlace, or but the first fingers sit into chair. And as you exhale, we'll go again. Inhale, stand up, reaching high. Reach to the right as you exhale. Inhale, straighten. Elevate the shoulders and ribs. Exhale, sit into your chair pose. Standing back up, inhale. Just getting everything warmed up, moving. Exhale, reach to the left. Inhale, back up. Exhale, sit into your chair. Y shape. Stand up, open wide with the arms. And bring your hands in through center, down towards your support, the blocks, chair or floor. Bend your left knee and take your right arm up to the sky, spinal twist. And release that down. And bend your right knee, take your left arm out and up into twist. And release down. Standing up, stretch high, interlace all your fingers together, final round, all but the first. Sit into chair as you exhale. Get some breath moving, energy moving. Stand up, stretch up, reach to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, chair. Stand up, stretch up. Reach to the left. Back up. Final chair, sit back and down. Y shape, stand up. Expand. Open. Into your forward fold, all the way down carefully. Bend your left knee. Take your right arm to the ceiling, into your twist. Release that down. And bend your right knee. Take your left arm out and up. And back down. Both hands circle high, stretch up. This time staying standing, hands to prayer as you exhale. Relax your shoulders. Just take a moment to see how you feel. And let's take a breath in together and out together. Thank you for joining me, Yogi. Namaste. If you enjoy these practices, please remember to like and subscribe.